Hola! The purpose of this video is to teach you or review what we call saludos or greetings in Spanish. You will take notes on this the first week of class if you're in class, but you could also use this video if you're not able to be in class or if you want to learn them on your own. So we have these greetings in Spanish that we will practice the first couple of weeks of the school year. You can take notes on a yellow sheet of paper called escaleras, and I will go through each word and explain what it means and how you can use it. So the first greeting is hola, and it means hello. Hola. Next we have buenos dias. Buenos dias means good morning. Buenas tardes means good afternoon. ¿Cómo te llamas? Means, what's your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? To answer what's your name, you can say, me llamo, and then your name. So, ¿cómo te llamas? Me llamo Paz. Let's review these quick. We have hola, buenos días, ¿cómo te llamas? And me llamo. We also have the phrases mucho gusto, which means nice to meet you, and igualmente, which means likewise. Mucho gusto, igualmente. Next, we have the question, how are you? To ask how are you in Spanish, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? To answer ¿cómo estás, we have bien, más o menos, mal. Bien means good. Más o menos means okay. And mal means bad. To add a little bit more, you could say fantástico, fantástica, which means fantastic. The difference between fantástico and fantástica would be if you identify as a chico or a boy, you'd say fantástico. If you identify as a chica or if you're a girl, fantástica. Fantástico, fantástica. And you could also say horrible. Horrible means horrible. Notice that that one doesn't change the ending, only the O and the A. We also have excelente, which means excellent, and fatal, which means kind of like horrible, but even worse, like fatal. So again, we have, just to go through those, ¿Cómo estás? How are you? Bien, más o menos, mal. Fantástico, fantástica, horrible, excelente, fatal. And then to ask the other person how they're doing, you could say y tú, which means and you. So, ¿cómo estás? Blah, blah, blah. And you. Y tú. Y tú means and you. You also might want to use these in greetings in conversation. So, por favor means please. Gracias is thank you. De nada is you're welcome. And adios means goodbye. Chicle es horrible is one we use in class because it means gum is horrible, because we find gum in our classroom a lot. So you could also learn this on chicle es horrible. So just to review, how would you say hi in Spanish? Hola. How would you ask how are you in Spanish? ¿Cómo estás? How would you ask what's your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? How would you say nice to meet you? Mucho gusto. And how would you say bye? Adios. Now, there are other ways to say these things like hi and bye and what's your name and what nice to meet you, but these are the ones we're going to focus on in Spanish 1 here at Hastings High School. You could now practice these in a lot of ways. You could practice with family members or people in your house. You could find other people in Spanish 1, maybe FaceTime with them or have a conversation with them. You can also we're going to use Quizlet as a way to practice vocabulary with spelling and repetition. So that might be your next step. If you want to practice these a little bit more right now, you could go find the Quizlet on your Schoology page. You could go find someone to practice with. You could look at your notes and practice with with your own notes. So good luck and ask your profes if you have any questions. Have a great day.